my name is Connie. I'm with Soul 82, and today we're going to be talking about the Strawberry Cough Nike SB Dunk. This is a super unique shoe. It has the leather detailing here made to look like a strawberry. It has a little shaggy suede and then the velvet collar. And then another cute part of it would be this little pull tab right here meant to look like the top of a strawberry. It has the little coughing strawberry cartoon here and then the translucent outsole, so you can see both the colors here. Another super cute detail would be the sole of the shoe. It also has that cartoon and it was just a really nice touch to it. The sneaker also comes with 2 pairs of laces. It comes in the green color and the crimson red, and you can get them here at Soul 82 for $110.